Alright guys, finally I got time to make another video. And before everything starts, let's do intro.
White snow, red sky, reach up for so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight.
Alright, this is urgent. I have no idea what's going on, but my plane is basically 2 hours. So I have to get to LAX, which is 1 hour, then I have to go. Let's see you guys in China. I'm the last one for holy crap. So what's up guys? I'm in China right now. It's actually a few days already while I'm back in China. Today's Wednesday, so right now it's at night, so probably gonna go to sleep, and tomorrow is Thursday, which I gonna get back to you guys at the Sunday. So yeah, so I record a few footage. Basically is what I experience these days. I'm gonna make it in like B-roll and show it to you guys right now. Alright guys, right now is about 4 a.m. in the morning. Can't go to sleep because the time zone difference. I'm watching Potato Jet, which is not on YouTube because my NordVPN doesn't really work, so I just basically watching on other platforms that people really like stolen the videos and posting on other platforms. So yeah, just tired, sleepy, doesn't feel right. I really don't like come back to China for like this short amount of time. Just I don't know what to do. 1 week without YouTube and Instagram, that's kind of like pain in the ass, but whatever. NordVPN doesn't really work in China. Just say that again. Alright, see you guys. Peace. Alright, you guys guessed it. I basically go back to China. I bought this camera bag. I'm gonna say, oh, I'm gonna recording so much footage. I'm gonna make us best travel vlog ever. That's the only clip I record for this entire trip, a week in China. But that's like a month ago. The video I'm actually recording right now is a month ago after I get back to the United States. Which in this month, there's a lot of things happen. I can't record a new video since I don't put this video on because I'm been working on for a long time already. Yeah, so let's just cut that part down right now. Cut that part down, and let's go back to where we are. Let's go back to the tech stuff. So you guys know I got a new camera. It's a Canon EOS R, and after I got it, I actually did a little bit comparison. Opening it up, my 077D. Let me go get it. Yeah. Opening up this guy, I realized this guy's still not bad, not too bad. It still works pretty good with 10 to 80mm wide angle lens. You can get pretty good flip out screen. No 4K, but 1080p. I don't even recording 4K on here. Right now, you guys see is 1080p. If you set up right, it's pretty sharp. I think it's pretty sharp, but I mean, all the DSLR footage, I'm just kind of like curious. Like, I personally, I know a lot of people don't like the artificial sharpening, but I personally actually kind of like that artificial sharpening because it actually looks pretty sharp instead of like this footage right now on the screen. This footage is actually recorded in China. I want to record a time lapse. My USR kind of like a little bit broken. I can't really do like pictures time lapse. I can only do like regular like video, then you speed it up. That's actually recording by the USR. It should be pretty sharp. I'm recording that footage in 1080p, but you guys see, if you guys looking on a laptop or like a computer, it looks pretty grainy for some reason. And same thing happened with this guy, like all the DSLR just not really sharp. Let me put in Adobe Premiere and sharp that footage again and let you guys tell me, is it a lot better or no? Alright, I sharp it up in Adobe Premiere. I think it looks a bit better. I think so. I haven't looked at the footage yet because I'm just recording this right now. Yeah, this is a pretty damn good camera, I have to say that. So I'm kind of a little bit like think I shouldn't buy the USR since it's too expensive. I don't really need that. It's good, it's a solid camera, but I don't really need this kind of performance right now. I'm on the floor recording this video with my camera, have my wallet under because I can't tilt this camera up a little bit. This my Ronin just right here. It's really cool shoes. That's a pretty cool shoes, but you gotta pay for it. Pay that 1,600 bucks for that. Alright, technology. So if I click here, hear that? The thing I don't really like about this shoe is I really have to like sit down, click a button right here, and it's pretty hard, and then take it out. Then I have to go to another one and just wait, which it takes pretty long time, and I have to repress it. Oh, sometimes you don't, but sometimes you do. Alright, let's go. Whew, I don't know if you guys like this way, because I am actually a lot harder than before. Alright guys, right now I'm just on my way back to home, and basically right now it's kind of like pitch black. It's not really pitch black, just regular straight light. I don't see the footage right now, so I can't really tell. It's my MAVIC 2, and I just finished like a shooting, not really like a shooting, just a regular day. Messing around a little bit. So right now I'm recording on my iPhone, so I don't sure like if I'm recording using my USR right now, it's gonna be pretty like blue. You guys can see me right from here, but I don't think the image quality is gonna be too good, and the angle not gonna be too wide because iPhone has like a 44mm. I mean 24. All right. Yeah, I'm too tired. Alright, let's just end up this video here, and just by walking and talking to the camera, maybe test out this image stabilization on the camera. So I know I searched it about, I did a little bit of research on the Canon USR. It actually has the 5-axis stabilization. I don't really know what is that, and also enable the digital stabilization on the camera. So right now it should be fine when I'm walking, but it does crop the image a little bit, even though maybe I'm gonna do a warp stabilizer on the Adobe Premiere Pro. Just this video, nothing important, just like a trip like being to China and stuff. While I'm holding this camera, just kind of hard, and I was like considering using the Ronin S2 vlog, but that thing is actually pretty heavy. Like I might not really like to using that guy to just vlog myself while I'm just like single person, just film. Like am I gonna film in my like school project whatever, but not really for my personal project. The first day I got this camera, I kind of broke the shutter. I saw it's like there's the thing on the shutter, it's like a little black thing, it's like a film. I saw it's like a sharp protector thing. When you use it, you took it off, but after I took it off, the camera just stopped function for the video. It still can take like, I mean, for the photo, it still can take video, but just not photo, it doesn't really work that well. Then today I switched the camera on like the silent mode, which is a electronic shutter. Then everything just goes like a lot better right now. I'll go take some picture, maybe under sunset. I have my 50mm f1.8 lens with me. And if you guys want to know what the picture looks like, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna drop the link in the description right now. And everything seems pretty good on my hand so far. I just filming with one hand and pretty out far, so it doesn't seem pretty promising for the footage, but I hope it will work pretty good. Alright, see you guys. Peace.